Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your speaker Creative Muvo Play. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your speaker and it should help you. But if it doesn't, we should make a soft reset. So just press and hold power button to turn off your speaker, and after that press and hold power button to turn on your speaker. Here we go.
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to connect.
Now, if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this speaker. So just press and hold power button to turn off your speaker. Now, click information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, click also pair new device, and after that turn on your speaker. Now click on it. And we did it, cool. And if all of this method didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold play pause button for at least 8 seconds.
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to connect. Master reset completed. Returning to pairing mode.
And as you can hear, we just make it, so just click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. And now we should add the speaker. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!